Hi, and welcome to What's the Tea and L&E. I'm Leah, and today I'm here with my colleague, Raven Burks.
Hello, everyone.
Today we're going to be talking about sexual assault in the workplace, and not employee to employee, but we're going to be talking about when an employee may engage in sexual assault or sexual misconduct with a third party, like a customer or a patient. So, Raven, let's start by talking about a new Virginia law. Tell me about it.
Right. So earlier this year, the Virginia Assembly passed a law called the Sexual Assault Employer Accountability Act, and it actually went into effect on July 1st of 2025, so a couple of weeks ago. But basically, it pretty much ensures that employers who aren't accurately watching and supervising their employees who have vulnerable victims in the workplace as their clients or customers, it ensures that they are still sort of held liable for any wrongful or intentional acts such as sexual assault.
You know, it's interesting because we used to have judge-made law, and we still have this judge-made law. We call it the common law, where an employee, a third party could sue a company and say that you negligently supervised your employee, right? I was out, meeting with your employee, and your employee inappropriately harmed me, injured me, whatever it may be. So now it's almost like we have an actual statutory law on the books that gives victims some sort of private right of action to sue the employer automatically if they feel they've been aggrieved by sexual assault. Now, who could be a victim in this law?
Right. So the law defines vulnerable victims as individuals that are patients of healthcare providers, people that are residents of assisted living facilities, individuals that are passengers of common carriers such
Like
as
buses?
right, yeah, buses, taxis. And I've also wondered since this law is so new, like could it apply to Lyft drivers or maybe Uber
Yeah,
drivers as
Raven, I
well?
don't think anyone's taking taxis anymore. So I think you're probably right? We don't know the scope of this law yet because it's so new. So one thing to keep in mind is, I mean, if you are a business and you offer services to third parties, or your employees are interacting with third parties, maybe they're engaged in pest control and they're going door to door and entering homes, whatever it may be, make sure those employees are trained. Make sure you run background checks. And the other part about this is we still have, I mean, in almost every state has sort of parallel laws or judge-made law that is going to protect third parties from actions by their employees. So until next time, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.